Welcome to the Station Bakery. I am in a completely different location. We are out celebrating my girl's birthday. We're celebrating at the beach. You know, that's why I look the way that I look. No, I think I look like this on a regular basis. But anyways, we chose to do a very small party with just like our immediate family, and that's it. Our girls are very social. We decided for them to be able to enjoy their party, that we were just gonna keep it small and simple with the people that they're the most comfortable with. But I still wanted to make it special, so I did make their cakes, which you've probably seen on the other videos. I'm gonna take you along with us setting it up. Let's get this party set up.
Why do I lose all my control?
You're gonna have to move around till I find you a spot to listen
I'm not even sure that's centered though. Yes. Yeah.
So truthfully, I had no plan for this table setup. I did not bring any cake stands, any platters, or anything to set this up. So we were really just working with our own minds and just what we had, which was nothing. But thankfully, I have a super bomb team with my family, and they have an eye and a mind to be able to come up with ideas to really make this table pop and look great. So shout out to them.
Rice Krispies Krispies. And then what's in the bag? Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its. And then put your juice. Okay.
I think it's so interesting how there are so many different levels to creativity, whereas a creative person can thrive in one aspect of creating, but then just completely have no idea what to do in another aspect of creating. And I just think it's very interesting, and I find that to be true with myself with things like I created and designed all of these treats and decorated the cakes, but when it came to setting up this table, I had no idea whatsoever on what to do, how to do, and how to make it look good. But on the other hand, my family did. I think it just shows that we all operate in different capacities and we're all just great at what we do.
My girl just did this as part of her dress.
Yeah.
She did this as part of her crown.
As part of her, oh yeah, her tail. I didn't think about that. That would have been cool.
Like anybody really like Fritos?
I like them.
Do you actually like them?
Yeah. They have their purpose, huh? Yeah.
No, different.
They have a place.
Okay, Fritos plain or bliss?
I agree.
Fritos with the like the little seasoning, some like the chili cheese Fritos.
Those are
These
acceptable.
gross.
Yeah, I agree.
Everything is all set up and we are ready to have a party. The girls are begging to get into the food and their treats and the cake and just everything. And we're just ready to have a good time. The sandwich station. This is a cookies and cream, chocolate with cookies and cream filling cake. And then we have the coloring books and the Rice Krispie treats with the Capri Suns. And then these are custom Cheez-Its. This is the Beauty and the Beast cake. And there's two sides because I had the side that I wanted and then the side that she wanted. We got the best of both worlds. It's the water and then the two juices and their gifts. And we are ready to have a party, y'all.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
party anyway. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Oh my goodness, I am so excited and so happy that I get to share a cake cutting video with you all. I am so excited. Usually I don't get to cut into my own cakes because they're going to someone else, but these cakes were for my daughters, so I get the magnificent honor of cutting up this cake. And y'all, I absolutely love cutting cakes. If you've been around for some time, then you know that already. But anyways, let's talk about this cake and let's talk about cutting cakes, okay? I posted a reel on Instagram and y'all went crazy over the fact that I said that these cakes would serve at least 30 people. And y'all didn't believe me. Y'all, how are you not gonna believe me on my own cake, okay? A lot of people were saying like, no, that cake will only serve 12 to 15 people. First of all, my cake is not your typical cake, okay? This is a double barrel cake. This cake sits close to a foot tall and it is loaded with 6 thick layers of delicious cake, as you can clearly see, okay? And I am cutting into this cake and I am giving good sized portions, y'all. Like, just watch me cut it. Just watch me cut it. Like, is that not an adequate size of cake? Like, you guys, come on, come on. This is why it is so important for you to try cutting out your own cakes, because those cake serving charts are completely outdated. We are in the era of super tall cakes and not the short, stubby ones anymore. And then there were some people who were trying to argue me down saying, well, those slices are mainly buttercream and yada yada. Do y'all not know that there are people who actually like buttercream? Did you not know that? Just take a listen.
Can I have that piece?
This one?
Yeah. Thank you.
So did y'all hear that, or am I tripping? Okay? Cut your cakes to test out your serving sizes for yourself. She was very satisfied and happy with getting that in piece, okay? And just listen at the nom nom nomming that's happening in the background.
Let me know what y'all think about this setup and all the treats and how the cakes and things turned out, and then I'll catch y'all in the next one. Until then, peace.